In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a coupon to a subscription in Stripe. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And then once inside the dashboard, I want you to head over to the customers section on the left side menu, which is going to be this option. Click the customers. Now, you need to find and click the customer you want to apply the discount to. You can use the search bar, but in my case, I have already the customer that I wanted to add a coupon. So I'm going to click on it, or you can use the three dots here if you want. This will forward you to a new page. Now, for you to be able to apply the discount, I want you to click the three dots here that says Apply Coupon. Now on the drop-down menu, select an existing coupon you have already created or create a brand new coupon right on the spot by clicking this option that says New Coupon. What will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page. Now I want you to type the coupon name. You can also add an ID for that and choose the type of coupon. Is it going to be like a percentage off, a fixed amount? If that's the case, you need to put in the discount amount, for example, 69. And if you want to add additional currencies, you also have the option to do that, okay? And then if you want to apply it to specific products, you can do that as well by checking this circle button and find your product. Once you've done that, you can also set the duration. Is it going to be like once, multiple months, or forever? It's up to you. You can also set the redemption limits. And once you've done that, all you have to do is create the coupon. Now, after that, go back to your customer, select your customer, click the three dots icon, and then apply coupon. Select the coupon, and we have the coupon right here. Click the submit button. Before finalizing, always check the next invoice preview because that ensures the discount has been applied correctly and your customer is getting the right deal. And basically, that's how to add a coupon to a subscription in Stripe. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.